Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Suffi. Welcome to the virtual class. Today I'm going to announce a course to design a website that is HTML5 and CSS3. This course will make you able to make a website. You will be able to design a website after completing this course, inshallah. I will try to keep one or two videos per week so that it will be very easy for you to watch the videos and learn this programming language HTML5 and CSS3. Before moving to understand how we will work with HTML and CSS, it is very important to know about what is HTML and what is CSS. HTML is actually a programming language that is used for programming. It is an abbreviation of hypertext markup language. HTML, H stands for hyper, T for text, M for markup, L for language. And CSS is a cascading style sheets. These both are actually web designing languages or programming languages which are used to design any website. Uh, for example, any website that you see, let me show here. I have a website here, and in this website, you can see the web browser is showing you the website in this form. But if we move to the source of the website, how the website has been designed, so all this coding and work has been done using HTML, CSS, and some other programming languages are also used. HTML is actually the basic of all other languages. I think so. It is not possible to learn any other programming language like C++, Java, or many other programming languages are there. To learn them without learning basic HTML and CSS. Now on the screen you can also see here with HTML it is written HTML5 and with CSS it is written 3. So actually these are the latest versions of HTML and CSS. These are the latest versions of hypertext markup language and cascading style sheets that are used now with the latest features are in them. Uh, Initially, HTML was only HTML, then some changes happened, some styles, some work has been replaced with HTML later version HTML2, HTML3, HTML4, and right now the version of HTML that is in use is HTML5, and same is the case with the cascading style sheets CSS also. The latest version of them is CSS3. To design any website, to write any code in HTML or CSS, we need a text editor. Different text editors are used for that. Like one text editor is Notepad, which comes built in your Windows. You can just go to the search menu, type Notepad. We can design HTML website using Notepad. But if we look at the layout of the notepad, it is very simple. Sometimes a lot of features with the latest versions are also missing in the notepad. So many programmers prefer to use other text editors. There are a lot of text editors available online. You can download them as well. Like there is a text editor here right now. I can show you that is Sublime Text 3. And this whole course, inshallah, I will explain you using Sublime Text 3. In my coming video, I will also let you know how you can install it, how you can download it in your system, and then we will use it during our project when we will be working with HTML5 and CSS3. So here is its layout. Inshallah, in our next lesson, I will completely explain you about the text editor, how we will use the text editor, the Sublime Text 3. And even if you don't want to use Sublime Text 3, you can use Notepad. will have almost all these features. So inshallah, with the next lesson of HTML, we will start writing a code, basic structure, layout of HTML5 using our text editor, and we will learn about how we can use a text editor. So with that, inshallah, see you in our next class where we will discuss more about that. Assalamu alaikum.